Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is the part 2 of the BMW we got from Facebook Marketplace. So yesterday we couldn't change the parts in the shop because the shop got busy. It was like 3 cars in the lifters, and we decided to do it today. We're gonna do it here in a parking lot. The car is right here. We taking out the radiator. Got the intake out. And this is the radiator right here. Also we have the valve cover gasket and the axle. This is the left axle, valve cover gasket right here. My brother is trying to take the radiator out. You got it?
Working.
So guys, the intake is out. We disconnected the upper hose from the radiator, and to get to the radiator you have to move the cooling fan, which was a little bit hard for us. We tried to remove it with a socket, which was a mistake, and we used these two special tools to take out the cooling fan. And once you take it out, you have the full access to the radiator and you can just take it out so easy. Just make sure you have these two tools to get to the cooling fan, because once you get the cooling fan out, you have full access to the radiator and it will be way easier to take it out. So this is the old radiator, and we just had to swipe the plastic that goes to the intercooler, and this is the pipe that was leaking coolant from the radiator as well. This is the upper hose. So here we got the radiator back. We connected all the hoses, the ones from the intercooler, and we putting the cooling fan back. You don't have to tighten it too much, because once you start the car is gonna tight automatically, because the cooling is gonna start working, and you guys don't have to worry much about it. The new radiator is been installed. Just gonna add some coolant, green coolant. So the axle and the valve cover gasket was done by our friend. He did the job for us. So new valve cover gasket and the new axle was installed. Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to let you guys know that the car is ready. We did the axle, we did the valve cover gasket yesterday, and we did the CV boots. The car is good to go. I'm on my way home right now to take some pictures and post the car online. So we got it for $2,000. We got the parts around $400, and I paid the mechanic $200 to change the valve cover gasket and also the axle. So that's like it's like $2,600 total with the repair and the labor. And I'm gonna show you guys the car from outside when I get home, take some pictures, post it, and I'll keep you guys posted what's going on next. the car is ready, everything is done. I parked it on the street. It's been like 3 days we finished the car. I parked it. I didn't drive the car, and let's see if it's gonna start right now, because it's been like a couple of days. Opa. Look at the detail, guys. The seat looking good, and the back. Okay, let's see if it's gonna start. I may need to jump the car, I'm not sure, but let's see. Oh, damn. Oh, it's good, man. Okay, I'm just gonna take the car there, show it to you guys. So guys, the car is ready. We fixed it. It's officially ready. I'm gonna show it to you right now outside, and I posted yesterday on the website on Facebook Marketplace, and we'll see if we're gonna have some bites on the car, and trying to sell it. Okay, I'm just gonna park it here and show it to you guys right now. Hey, look at this, sexy. Oh, by the way, I just need to buy this toe cover for the front bumper, and that's like $3. I found it on Amazon or eBay, either one. But just look inside, guys. This seat was super bad. I cleaned it my best, and also the passenger. Hope. So the car is officially ready to sell, and we are good. I just want to say, guys, thanks for watching. This was the second part of the BMW, and again, we got it from Facebook Marketplace. We paid for the car $2,000 with the repairs and the labor and the expensive. We had $2,600. The value of the car is $8,400, so I'm trying to sell it for at least $5,000-$6,000 just to see if I can sell it. I posted online yesterday, and it's been 1 day, and I'll see you guys on the third part, when I'm gonna sell the car. And thank you so much for watching. Oops, there was a car coming. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.